Hello viewers, today we talk about mouthwash may kill coronavirus in a lab, but it won't stop transmission among people. How? Using mouthwash is not an effective way to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. Studies have shown that certain oral rinses are capable of killing the virus in a lab. But using mouthwash does not decrease the viral load in your nose and lungs and therefore will not affect coronavirus transmission. The recent study has ties to the company that makes Dentally mouthwash. A new study by researchers at Cardiff University found certain mouthwash formulations can kill coronavirus within 30 seconds in a laboratory setting. The preprint, which has not yet been peer-reviewed, echoes similar findings of a study of mouthwashes and nasal rinses published in the Journal of Medical Virology in September. The practice appears to have been picked up by some film set stars like KJ Apa and Camila Mendes of Riverdale, have added a 30-second rinse as an extra precaution before make-out scenes. However, experts warn that in reality mouthwash should not be used in hopes of preventing coronavirus transmission because it does not stop all avenues of viral spread. Mouthwash will not eliminate virus shed from the nose, for example, and will not eliminate all virus in saliva either. It will be rapidly replenished from infected cells. Vincent Recanello, professor of microbiology and immunology at Columbia University, previously wrote in an email to Insider. Mouthwash may be useful in some settings such as dental offices, but that's because dentists wear masks, face masks and shields of additional protections and typically have their patients rinse frequently, Recanello added. Any virus-killing effect of mouthwash are temporary. 3. Mouthwash formulations tested in the Cardiff study eliminated all traces of the coronavirus within 30 seconds, but the data represent only a short moment in time without considering other biological processes that affect viral load. If you are infected and shedding virus from your lungs, you are going to breathe humidified air into your mouth immediately and you are going to be producing saliva immediately, so you will replenish those starters pretty quickly. Rachel Graham, assistant professor of epidemiology at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, previously told Insider. Titer or viral load refers to the amount of virus in a given volume of load. The most effective mouthwash in the Cardiff study, which contained either cattle-pyridinium colloid or ethyl levyl arginate as the active ingredients, reduced the viral load by more than 5 logs, a strong reducing by industry standards. In a German study published into the Journal of Infectious Disease in July, the most powerful mouthwash reduces the load by about 3 logs, which corresponds with bottle labs that say it kills 99.9% of germs gram set. But no rinse on the market can inhibit cells from producing new virus, and the effect of mouthwash will not and should not reach your nose lungs. The next phase of research is funded by the company that makes dental mouthwash. The team at Cardiff University has already begun assessing the efficiency of mouthwash containing cattle-pyridinium colloid on COVID-19 patients. While the researchers claim no direct conflicts in the preprint of the lab study, this next stage is funded by Venture Life Group, the company that makes dental mouthwash. Incidentally, dental is one of the few oral rinses that contains cattle-pyridinium colloid, the researcher wrote in the preprint. Venture Life Groups provide information on mouthwash formulations employed in this study, but had no role in funding, planning, execution, analysis, or writing of his study. Venture Life Group did not respond immediately to a request for comments. Thank you very much. That's enough for this video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icons for more updating videos. Thank you.